After weeks of cryptic teasers and endless hype, it's finally real. Qwertykeys has opened pre-orders for the QK65 Mk3, and it might be one of the most charmingly retro, yet technologically ambitious keyboards we've seen this year. Let's dive into everything you need to know. The QK65 Mk3 arrives as a 65% mechanical keyboard designed for enthusiasts who want compactness without sacrificing arrow keys. It comes in 5 nostalgic color options: Eclipse Gray, Green, Retro White, Basalt Gray, and Pink, each echoing a different era of vintage computing while keeping a clean, modern aesthetic. The starting price? $199. And for that, you're getting a CNC milled aluminum case, a hot swap PCB, stabilizers, and your choice of aluminum, polypropylene, or FR4 plates. But here's a clever twist. Spend just $14 more on a themed keycap set, and Qwertykeys throws in a full pack of 70 Rye switches for free. One of the Mark III's most distinctive features sits quietly on the top of the board, a fully integrated, customizable display. Users can load animations, monitor battery life, check caps lock, and even choose between a dog or cat clock that reacts as you type. And for those moments when typing turns into play, there's even a built-in mini-game called the Animal Supermarket. Yes, your keyboard comes with a game. Under the hood, the Mark III is powered by dual 3100 mAh batteries, fueling both Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless modes. 2 low-profile knobs on the top right corner let you switch connections instantly. And through Qwertykeys' custom VIA fork, users can remap any key, customize per-key RGB lighting, and program the display, all without touching a single line of code. ISO layout support is also available, though only with the 7U spacebar option. With its retro charm, powerful wireless performance, and a delightfully quirky display, the QK65 Mk3 isn't just another keyboard release. It's a playful, premium, and surprisingly thoughtful piece of tech that feels built for both enthusiasts and everyday users alike. Pre-orders are live now, so if this board has your attention, you might want to move fast. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and let us know which colorway you'd pick. See you in the next one.